Dear user, hello. We at 3M are privileged to have you as our esteemed customer. Welcome to the application guide of 3M Mirror Mount Tape. Mirrors are more than just a piece of glass. Mirror is a delicate sheet of glass with sensitizing solution depositions of silver and copper. Here are some tips for proper handling installing the mirrors. Use gloves while handling the mirror, not only for safety, but also to prevent damage to the face or backing of the mirror from skin-borne salts or chemicals. If possible, lay out a mirror installation in your shop before taking it to the job site. The possible errors in cutting or sizing can be rectified easily and will avoid any excessive handling. Do not install mirrors on new plaster, new masonry, or on a freshly painted wall without proper sealing. Also, do not install in any new construction area where airborne solvents and heavy-duty cleaners are in the air. In a humid climate, wait until the air conditioning is operational before installing mirrors. Mirrors should not be installed in outdoors without additional protection for the backing of the mirror. Set mirrors off the wall with adequate ventilation for the backing whenever possible. Be sure that there are adequate tolerances between installed mirrors to avoid later problems as the building settles. 3M Mirror Mount Tape. Usage calculation. The width of the tape to be used for a specific size of the mirror is decided based on the static loading capacity of the tape. The thumb rule is for holding 1 kg static load, 9 square inches of tape needs to be used. 3M Mirror Mount Tape. Application technique. Following are the steps in general to be followed for getting the optimum results with 3M Mirror Mount Tape. Most surfaces common to the tape applications are best prepared by cleaning with a 50:50 mixture of isopropyl alcohol or IPA and water. Step 1. Surface cleaning. The surface is cleaned of dust or any contaminants using a cotton swab soaked in IPA water mix. By wiping in a single direction, allow the solvent to evaporate and the surface to dry. Step 2. Trimming. Wood or plywood are very fibrous surfaces and need to be unified. Prime the area to be bonded with 3M Primer 94 to unify the surface and also to enhance the adhesion. The primer can be applied either with a brush or with a cotton swab. The primer should be allowed to soak in, and a second coat needs to be applied after the first coat is dried. Surface cleaning. The surface is cleaned of dust using a cotton swab soaked in IPA water mix by wiping in a single direction. Allow the solvent to evaporate and the surface to dry. Trimming. Mirrors come with a protective coating on the backside and have low surface energy. Prime the area to be bonded with 3M Primer 94 to enhance the adhesion with the mirror mount tape. A very thin layer only needs to be applied and can be done with a cotton swab. Check the compatibility of the coating with the primer before applying it. Applying 3M Mirror Mount Tape. Hold the edge of the tape and leave the portion where it is touched by the fingers outside. Press the end to the substrate, unwind and align the tape, and press the tape down from one edge to the other. Give an overlap while starting applying tape on the next edge. After applying all along the periphery, cut the overlapping edges of the tape to get a neat butt joint. Also apply the tape as vertical or horizontal strips in between or diagonally in X pattern at the center to give cushioning. Press down the tape with squeegee or rubber roller to ensure proper surface contact and to initiate the flow. Remove the liner from the tape. Bring in the cleaned and primed mirror. Do the alignment properly and gently press the mirror to the tape. The mirror can be pressed down with a rubber roller or a squeegee. Important points to remember. Surface preparation is a basic requirement to ensure proper adhesive contact with the surface. Don't use the tape in pieces, but use all along the periphery to give a continuous bond. Follow the safety instructions and handling precautions given in the respective datasheets or MSDS while handling solvents and primer.